So I just wanted to show you exactly how our bed works. It's a rock and roll style slide in, push in bed that folds up at the back. It's a little bit different to other slide out beds we've seen. So I'll show you how it works. Bed's out. Now let's get it folded away. Pull on the rope. Slide it in. And lock it in place. And bed's away. There's not much can go wrong, so just break the back of it and then push in. I've just added a bolt to either side of the bed that allows us to lock it in place while we're travelling. Yeah, grab the rope just so it doesn't bang. It's not a problem if it does, but down again, just mattress into place. So rather than have lots of drawers, we've got a cutlery drawer, we've got a pull-out larder, and we've got a cubby which doubles as a step. Jump up onto the bed. And we go to sleep. And when we wake up, we get out of bed, put the kettle on, and then we can put the bed away. Get our cup of tea and drink. You can see there's just enough headroom to be able to sit on the bed without banging your head on the ceiling. Again, that's by design, not by luck. But I say by design, more by evolving, because it didn't start off like this. My first measurements, or the first bed supports I built, when I factored in the thickness of the mattress, my head was touching the ceiling. So that's why in the build video you can see that I managed to drop it down by about 10 centimeters. Check that video out if you want to know more about the process of how it all got put together. The bed turned out pretty well in the end. I don't think there's anything I'd change, but saying that, it kept on changing throughout the process, so I think we ended up with something that is practical and it works well, easy to set up, which was one of the main reasons why we went for this bed, or why we built this bed. If I haven't given enough detail about this bed and you're interested in making one yourself, then drop us a comment or drop us a message and I'll be happy to answer any more questions and fill in the blanks. But yeah, it works really well. I'm very happy with it. Cool, I'll catch you on the next video.